everyone, let me demonstrate how the S40 performs language switching first. So let's first light up the screen. Press asterisk and hashtag to enter system mode. Please verify the administrator password. Press hashtag to confirm to enter system mode. Verification successful. 1. Add a user. 2. Delete users. 3. System settings. For network settings, 5. System inquiries. We press 3 to enter the system settings. 1. Unlock mode. 2. Music settings. 3. Voice settings. We press 3 to enter the language settings. 1. Chinese to English. Please press to English. Language switch successful. The above are all the steps of how to switch between Chinese and English in the S40.